Yes.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you
ma'am.
doing?
Good morning.
Good morning. So, how are you doing?
I am doing fantastic, ma'am. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
I'm also doing fantastic. First
Okay,
of all,
how?
sorry for being late because today my watch was running behind the time. That's why I could not realize the time, and that is the reason I got late by 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes. It's okay, ma'am. I thought you have forgotten the session, so I was about to shut the laptop because there were some pending household chores. So I thought to quickly finish them. So I thought you have forgotten. So it's okay, ma'am, but that's fine.
Yeah, but I don't forget. If I have planned the session, then I don't forget. I have to come. And yeah, it is very possible that something urgent comes up in between, and that's why I may late. Okay, so we are meeting for the first time. So please let me know something about you.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Yeah. So, ma'am, as you know, my name is Gitanjali Keshwani, and currently I am putting up in Pune. Originally, I am from Rajasthan, Kota, and I'm a former teacher. Currently, I am conducting English spoken online and offline classes. And besides that, I manage my household responsibilities. Apart from that, I am an avid learner as well as a tutor. If I talk about my hobbies, so I am fond of reading and cooking. So that's all, ma'am, about me.
Okay, great to know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what do you cook at home? Whenever, if there is an occasion, if someone has a birthday at your home, what do you cook?
Okay. Ma'am, one more thing I forgot to tell you that I'm a mother of a 11-year-old boy. So most of the time I cook what he demands to cook. For an instance, like he wants me to, summer season is there. So he wants me to make ice cream at home. So I make ice cream for him. And he is fond of puri bhaji. So I prepare puri bhaji for him. And apart from that, I am really good at cooking chola, a puri chola. So I
Puri
prepare
chole.
that as well for him. Yes, he likes a lot. So whatever my husband and my son they both demand, I make for them. And I really love making for them because they admire me a lot for my cooking. I don't know I am a good cook or not, but they admire me a lot, so I like to cook for them.
Hmm. Puri chole and bhature chole are very famous in Punjab. Whenever I have
Yes.
to go out to eat something, then I like to eat chole bhature and sometimes naan chole.
Okay, naan chole. Okay. Since ma'am, I am a fitness freak, so I try avoiding these things like oily and any kind of anything which is made out of maida, refined flour. So I try avoid it. Try to avoid it.
Okay. So do you
Yeah.
exercise on a regular basis? As you said that you are a fitness freak.
Yes, ma'am. Earlier I used to do, but now I don't get time. But I every day I go for a walk in the morning and in the night also. So every day I go, and earlier I was so indulged in yoga also. I practiced yoga for around 4 to 5 years. But ever since I have started doing all these things, taking classes, learning this language, so now I don't get much time for yoga and like for any kind of exercise. But yeah, I go for a walk every day without fail.
Yeah, it's very important because
Yes.
if we are good health wise, then only we would like to do anything else. Even I was a very health conscious earlier, but since when I started my YouTube channel, I started improving my English. Whenever I have some leisure time, I just want to spend my time in these things. That is why I always neglect my health. It's been 2 years. I haven't focused much on my health. Earlier, I used to go for a walk. I used to go for yoga classes. I used to do it on a very regular basis, but now I am also taking it very lightly. And I know, I know I should change this and I should start focusing on my health now.
Yes. It is very important, ma'am. I always prioritize my health, and at the same time, I prioritize myself also because self love is also important. If we love
Yes.
ourselves, then only, we get the same thing in return from the world. So first we have to respect ourselves, love ourselves, then only we get things in return. If we take ourselves only granted, then we cannot expect this thing from the other people.
Others.
So I always prioritize myself, but sometimes I have to sacrifice on other things. Like I don't get time to watch movies. Sometimes I even don't get time to take enough sleep also. On weekends I sleep in, but maybe on weekdays I don't get enough time, but I am happy with that because I am getting to fulfill my aspirations. So I have no complaints regarding that.
Mm. So your English is pretty good. So what do you do to improve your English? And you told me that you are very much into reading. What kind of books you are interested in?
Okay, so first of all, ma'am, I started learning English in 2021, but that spark was there in me since my childhood only. But as you know, we at that time we didn't have access to these many platforms, so I did not get exposure for this language. But in 2021, again, that spark reignited in me to learn this language. So, and I have devoted, very good time. I have been learning this language with full dedication. So I would say that we cannot cut corners when it comes to learning English. It's a very long process. And being a tutor, I have to update myself so that I can
Mm.
impart latest knowledge to my learners as well. So in this way, ma'am, I have learned English. I cannot say that I learned English in just few months or just a few years. That would be a complete lie. So if anyone wants to learn English, they have to dedicate a time to it. Besides that, I do listening also every day without fail. I do listening activities. And if I talk about book, I like to read, ma'am, self-help books. I love them a lot. Yeah, yeah, only self-help. I don't like to go into the fiction world and any kind of horror stories. I don't like to read. Only I read some tales with my son. If he asks me, because he is little lazy in reading. When it comes to reading, he says that, Mama, you read, I will listen. He just, try to avoid reading. So I read those books and self-help. I really love reading. So now I am just looking forward to get one book of Sudha Murthy's. I haven't tried a book of hers so far. So I am on the lookout of one good book of Sudha Murthy.
Mm. I have read one of the book of Sudha Murthy. It is Wise and Otherwise.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, all the short
Okay.
stories are there in this book. I think 50 or 52 stories are there. Short, very short stories, only 3 to 4 pages long stories.
Okay. All right. Okay. I got to know about one more book. The name of that book, if I'm not wrong, 3000 Stitches.
3,000
Some.
pages.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So I am
That is
looking.
also, I think that book is also based on short stories.
Okay, okay.
But
Yeah.
Sudha Murthy's books are good. If you want to improve your vocabulary, you can find some interesting words and it helps. Recently, I have read the book Attitude is Everything because you are saying that you are very much into reading the self-help books. That is why I'm
Yes.
telling you. I have finished reading Attitude is Everything, and after that, I read Law of Attraction. Both of those
Okay.
books are good. Have you read them?
No, ma'am. So far, I haven't. No, no. I have read Think Like a Monk and Autobiography of Gaur Gopal Das. So these kind of books I am more into. And Good Vibes, Good Life. I really like that book. Good Vibes, Good Life. It is written in a very easy and simple language. Even a beginners can understand the language written in that book. So I like that book. And Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I read that book also. So far 10 books, 10 self-help books I have read, but I'm not able to recall the names of all the books
Hmm.
right now. But I am into these kind of books, like when monks they share about their personal experiences associated with the real life. So I like reading those this way. Yes.
Hmm.
So ma'am, how's your YouTube journey shaping up?
It's good. Earlier, I was not very consistent in it, but now I have started maintaining consistency. And
Yes.
I'm trying to. Earlier, I was not making any conversation videos as you have seen on my channel. I was only making solo videos. But now I am making conversation videos too. I think it is my third or fourth conversation video, apart from English Jari sessions.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, are English RE sessions helping you in improving?
Yes, it helps. Because if we are earlier, I was only practicing on the apps like Ace Fluency, and
Yes.
there are some other English Talkie. So and also I am in some WhatsApp groups too, and there also I can find only the people who are either beginners or at the intermediate
Yes,
level. But I want to talk to someone who is better than me so that I
of
can
course.
learn from them. So that is the reason I took the subscription from English Jari. There I can talk to the tutors, and sometimes when I make mistakes, or sometimes if I am using very simpler words at that time, they can suggest me to use some good words. So this is how they give me the feedback. So this is how it helps.
Yes, yes, yes. Ma'am, feedback is very essential. We should know that how much we need to improve, and we should know our gray areas. So I think we receive feedback from the tutors, so that really helps. And in 2021, even I started talking on ACE fluency, and after a certain level, I felt that I was completely on a plateau. I was not growing because again you
Hmm.
get beginners there, so no one is there to guide you, to
Yeah.
give you feedback. After 1 year I left that group because ma'am, like that app, it became kind of dating app as well. So I was
No, but if you use female only queue, then the experience will be good, because you will get more often, you will get connected to the females. And but that problem is there. Everyone is a beginner, and it is not helping the people who are at
yes,
the intermediate level, or they are trying to reach at the advanced level. It is
yes,
not
yes,
helpful
but
for
ma'am,
those
that,
people.
yeah, yeah, that female one is paid. I was trying to utilize that platform free of cost, because if you want to connect with females, then you have to take their subscription, and that too for a limited time. Like they have given the time there that if you want to connect with the female, so you can connect like from evening 4 to 8, and that time for homemakers it is difficult. We need to do something, like if you want to do something, so we can do in the morning, because then evening I have batches, I have to teach my son, so timings were also not aligned. So I thought that that application after a certain point was not working for me, so then that's the reason that I left. So then I started working by myself only on my communication skills. I would talk to myself. I would, I would not do that, talking in front of mirror, because I don't know, I was not finding it comfortable doing it. Many tutors they suggest, but
Even I am not able to do. Whenever I stand in front of mirror, I just keep watching myself. I don't have, I don't have anything to speak, so
yes,
it's
yes,
not
we
helpful
tend to
for
look
me
at
as
our
well.
own flaws. Yeah, we tend to
Hmm.
look at our own flaws at that time. So it's better not to practice in front of mirror. But I would sometimes, speak to myself. Then my son is also there. I have to talk to him also in English. And ma'am, apart from that, I would try to, I try to find exposure for myself. Like for an instance, if I'm going to any doctor, I would talk to him in English. To my son's school, so initially I made mistakes, but gradually I learned because I found exposure for myself. So English is something, ma'am, that you have to put in your efforts. It's not like that someone will come and they will spell a magic wand over you and you will learn. So because it is a language, we have to acquire. We cannot learn it. So this is how I improved. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
definitely. You have improved a lot. I can say that you are using some good words. You have not made any grammatical mistake. So it's quite apparent that you are practicing English since last 4 years.
Yes, yes, ma'am. And ma'am, still I consider myself learner. English is something, it is a never-ending process.
Yes.
We can learn grammar, but vocabulary, it keeps on expanding.
Vocabularies. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Okay. So
So
ma'am, I just,
how do you practice when you practice with yourself? Like, do you give yourself a topic, or just about the daily routine, or whatever you are doing in your day? You keep talking on those things.
Ma'am, everything. I give topic to also because I watch lot many conversational videos. So I listen to questions from tutors, and then I answer those questions to. I give questions to myself. Those questions. So I practice, and apart from that, I just think about situations also. Like if I were there, in what manner I would have replied. And in everyday things also, like for an instance, initially what I would do, I would see the birds, then I would make a sentence that birds are chirping today, the day is quite pleasant. So in this manner I would talk to myself initially, but still I consider myself learner. I also have my own groups where I practice, I try to hone my communication skills. Besides that, I teach also, so while teaching also we get to learn several things. Because ma'am, there is one quote: every person is a world to explore. So, and it is so true. Whenever we connect with people, we get to learn a lot from about them, and also we get to learn from them. So this is how I improved, ma'am.
Okay, so since when you started your teaching journey?
It's been 2 years, ma'am. I have been
Okay,
taking
since.
classes for the last 2 years. Yeah, yeah. So I take
Hmm.
kids also, and I take grown-ups also. Like people, they find difficult to communicate in their meetings, and fashion designers are there. One yoga trainer is also there. She is also learning. So because in Pune, ma'am, English is mandatory.
Yes.
Everywhere there is a English. So they are
Hmm.
learning. So when I teach them, then also I learn.
Yeah, it's a great thing because here I live in Punjab and here no one speaks in English. Everyone is interested in speaking in Punjabi, and that's why I don't get any environment. It is good if you are getting that kind of environment where where you are able to speak with the people in English. It's really good. It helps to improve.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, ma'am. That's what I was saying. Na, we have to find environment for ourselves. We have to give
Hmm.
exposure to ourselves. Like, for an instance, if I am going to the school, if I talk in Hindi, teacher, she will also start talking in Hindi. But I start to speak in English with her, then accordingly she replies, because they don't know whether parents are
We
unlettered,
know or not.
whether they can communicate. So, yeah. So, we have to take initiatives to improve our communication skills. Okay. So, ma'am, like I know about your, I have already seen your introduction. So, but I am not aware much about the Chandigarh. I have never been to Chandigarh. So, I just want to know, what is the cost of living in Chandigarh? Like, if I talk about Pune, it cost an arm and a leg to live in
Hmm.
Pune. How about Chandigarh?
Chandigarh, I would say that it is better than Pune. It doesn't cost
Okay.
much, and if I talk about my city, it is better than Chandigarh. Even I can say the
Okay.
cost of living. If you have to take a rental house in Ludhiana, it goes up to 12,000 in Ludhiana, and in Chandigarh
Okay.
it will go around 20,000.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Have you ever been to Pune, ma'am?
No, I didn't get the opportunity to go, but I would love if I get the opportunity.
Yes, yes, ma'am. It's a beautiful city. However, there aren't much sightseeing places, but it's quite pleasant city. And specifically in the monsoon season, it's look quite elegant, this city. But it cost an arm and a leg living in Pune.
So
Yeah, rents are also.
you are living in a rental apartment or you have your own house?
No, ma'am. I own this house.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah. And I have been living in Pune for the last 12 years. Yeah, my husband, he's from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, but we live in Pune because of his job. He is a software engineer. So because of his job, we live here. And also now, like we are accustomed to the culture of Pune now because it's been so long that we have been living here. But only thing is that the rents are also so high here. Like everything is quite expensive here. So, but the standard of living is good in Pune,
and that is
weather-wise.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but here it's now summer his season has started, so it will be extremely hot and it's
Mm,
unbearable. It's unbearable. From the May month, we will have to sit only in AC. We cannot survive without AC. Day and night.
yes, yes. Very true,
24
very
hours
true.
24 hours we have to rely on AC.
Yes, 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 ma'am. Yes. So, for ma'am, how long have you been living in Chandigarh? Are you basically from Chandigarh only?
Not in Chandigarh, I am in Ludhiana.
Ludhiana. Okay, okay.
Ludhiana is also very close to Chandigarh. It takes only 1 hour if we have to go to Chandigarh. But I am born and brought up in Ludhiana only.
Okay. All right. Okay, okay. So, ma'am, are you fond of traveling? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like, but because of kids, I'm not able to go very often. But when I was unmarried, I used to go. I have visited so many places in Himachal Pradesh. But now it's been 5, 6 years. It's been 6 years. I'm not going anywhere. But when my kids will grow up, then definitely I will make some plans.
Yes, yes, I can understand, ma'am. It is very difficult. Then we have to carry lot many things, lot many stuff of kids if we have to travel with them.
Hmm.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, why? Mhm.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
please.
ma'am, you can. No, no, sorry, ma'am. You can go ahead.
So as you told me that you are taking online sessions as well. So how do you take online sessions through Zoom Meet?
No, ma'am, I take through Skype.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Because I feel that the quality of Skype is better.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. And for kids, I have offline classes because I don't prefer taking online classes for kids because, ma'am, we all know what kids were doing during the COVID-19. They all were playing, teacher is teaching, and they were not paying any heed to the teacher, what teacher is saying. So I learned a lesson from COVID-19 that online classes shouldn't be taken for kids because they don't listen.
They
So
don't
I
listen.
prefer offline. Yes.
Hmm.
So it's a yeah.
Even my kids don't listen to anyone. When I send them to tuition center, they in a day or two itself they will say, "Mama, I don't want to go to the tuition. I will study at home. I will do whatever you will say." But when I when I teach them, then don't listen to me. They just keep doing the things that they are doing. They are busy in playing. They are talking to each other. So it is very difficult to teach the kids at home now.
Of course, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you look so, calm and composed person. So, like, are you really a composed person in real life? You real because when I saw your videos, na, so that time only that thought came to my mind that you are really very calm and composed person.
Yes, this is how I am. Yeah, I am not a very aggressive person. If someone says something to me, then also I just want to keep quiet. I don't speak much. So these are my all the habits, but I just want to work on these habits too. Because if someone is saying something to us in a bad sense, then also if we are not replying, it means we are not loving. We don't love ourselves. So
Yes,
I want to
yes.
change this thing about me, and yeah, I am working on it. And the other quality of mine is I don't speak much. I want to change that too, because if we are practicing English, if we are having sessions with someone, then we need to speak more and more.
Of course, of course. Very true, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Then
yes,
only
yeah.
then only we can learn and make other people to learn.
Yes, yes. I'm an ambivert person, ma'am. Like, if I feel that there is a need to speak, I will speak. And if not, then I will not speak. So I'm an ambivert, but I like to explore different things. Like, even I like to explore people also. So, like, I can very well know how to strike the conversation. I can
Yeah,
strike it.
that I know as well, but I just want to improve this part more. Like I just want to
Ye-
speak more, as
Yes.
I want to become more expressive.
Yes, yes, expressive. Yeah, yeah. When we are introvert, then we are not able to express ourselves, which is
Hmm.
really essential because sometimes we have to make other person understand what we are feeling, and we have to tell them our emotions. So that is also important. So it's like that. Yeah, yeah. So yeah.
So yeah, it's time. Time is running out. I think the connection will be disconnected automatically.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
if you have something else to ask me, then please go ahead.
No, ma'am. I am done from my side, and I really look forward to meet with you again. Maybe I'll send request to you again after some
Yeah, yeah,
time. So I would
likewise.
love to connect.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. You can send me request anytime. I would